Today, let's learn about the operation of this type of salt spray machine. First, after receiving the equipment, take out the machine, connect it to the exhaust pipe at the back. The diameter of the exhaust pipe is 50. The inner diameter of the drain pipe is 20. The outer diameter is 28. One is for laboratory drainage. The other is saltwater drainage. This is pressure bucket drainage. This is for compressed air. The tube is 8 by 5. Just connect it directly inside. Now let's connect the power supply. After connecting the power, we hooked up this trachea to it. Just insert it directly. After inserting it, connect the air. Check if there are two pressures here. It was all set when we left the factory. After connecting the pipe and electricity, turn on the power of the control board. We can see 3 water shortage lights on it: laboratory water shortage, saturation bucket water shortage, salt water shortage. The experimental device is out of water. Add it in this large box. Add salt water here. The lack of water in the pressure bucket is added here. And when we pack, the standard salt will be placed here. Now we add water. Pressure bucket adds water here. Add water until the light goes out. Now add water until the light goes out. Add water to the laboratory. Just pour it in until the light goes out. Add the prepared salt water to it. There are 2 boxes of salt water. There's a brine tank here in the distribution box. There's a saltwater tank in another lab. They are connected. Take this shelf out when it's ready. This is for products. Below is the V-rack. If it's heavy or needs to be tilted, put it below. If we don't put it on the top, we don't need to put this stick. Put it on if you need it. It can be placed on top. Both the upper and lower layers can be used. When placing products, they cannot be placed next to each other. You need to leave a space. After putting the product in, close the lid. This is the sealing groove, because if you don't add water when spraying, there will be fog coming out. You must add water to seal it. Okay, now we can operate. We can see the laboratory temperature. The pressure cylinder temperature is on. The red one is the actual temperature, which is the temperature of the inside space. The green one is the set temperature. We set it when we leave the factory. After setting it here, turn on the timer. This M represents minutes. S is seconds. H stands for hour. Turn on the timer after the time is set. Let's set it for 5 seconds now. Turn on the spray timer. Now we can see the pressure gauge in front of us. There's pressure. The spray pressure is 1 kilogram. When the time comes, it will come to an end. All the lights will not light up. Turn off the timer. Turn off the spray. Now let's reset the timer. Set it to 15 minutes now. The spray and timing must be turned off. Set the time again after the timer is turned off. Now let's see if there is a spray. Now it's in the state of spraying. After seeing the spray, and this is a measuring cylinder, which collects the amount of sewage. It collects 1 to 2 milliliters per hour. 16 hours is the average. We can see that there's a horizontal bar here. Minimum 5 millimeters rise in 16 hours. And cannot be less than 16 milliliters, and no more than 32 milliliters. It's normal within its range. Okay, let's install it. We also have a defogging button here. What's the function of this defogging button? Just get rid of the fog in the lab. When we look at the product, turn on the defogging. After opening, Let it defog for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn it off after the fog is removed. After a minute or two, you can see the product. Then we turn off the defogging and then open the lid. This can prevent the fog inside from falling on people's bodies and keep the fog from floating around our room. Okay. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.